My name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality instant approval article submission backlink. So the website name is a notepad.com. So this is a website dashboard and the URL. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 76 and according to Moj the domain authority is 65 and the spam score is only 2%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 2.3 million monthly traffic and mostly traffic from Brazil, Vietnam, India, USA, Italy and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you're new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I guess you guys will do it something from your side if you liked it. So you can see top of the right corner there is a register and login button. You can click on this and there is a multiple option. You can add your email address and your password and you guys are able to access your profile. Just simple. And after that you can verify your captcha and you can click on the create an account button. So your account is created. So now you guys will start. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Publishing your article. So I have already generated my article. So this is a fresh article. Okay. So let me paste it over there. So you can paste your article title in the note title and from there you guys will start uploading your content. So first you guys will paste your content. Oh my god. So we need to add a step by step. Yeah, so you can convert in a rich text note, then you are able to paste your content as how you created or anywhere, any doc. So you can copy your content template. So let me select this and I can paste it over there. Yeah, so content is pasted as how I created. So once you guys will add your content, so you can optimize your content headings. So this should be gonna do. So there is no any option to we can, yeah, heading 2. Are you confused about the pre-employment? So or one get explain, check matters and the all heading it should be gonna do. I can optimize my headings and the content and this should be going to in H3. So once you guys will optimize your content, so now the time is to you can insert any images over there. So suppose that this is my banner image for this. So let me download it and I can, yeah. So you guys will upload your picture. So okay, so there we cannot upload. So you guys will insert your banner image over there. So there is a image insert option to you can upload. I guess there is any premium kind of things, so you can ignore these things. And if you're wanting to insert any hyperlink on your targeted keyword, so simply you can select your keyword. So suppose that this is my background screening and So suppose that you can select your keyword. So suppose that this is my keyword. There is, I guess I have added in bottom section, vendor job mark. There is no mentioned anywhere. Background screening. So suppose that this is my keyword and I wanted to insert my website URL. So you can see, you can select your keyword and there is a insert link button. You can click on this and you can paste your website URL. So suppose that I can go to paste this one and you will see your backlink, your hyperlink is inserted. So let me remove this because this is not relevant. So that's why. And once you guys will complete your all the things, so then once you guys will optimize your article, then after that you can click on the save button and you will see this is your article landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is instant approved backlink, how background screening can streamline your hiring process. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So this is a 100% no follow backlink, guys. Yeah, but the thing is we have created a very high quality article submission backlink on this site, and this site having a very heavy traffic. So you guys will, the chances is you can drive traffic from there. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details of the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.